All right, I'll talk through probably numbers through 10 here. We will, they're usually wrong in each problem. Okay, number 6 here. Under what following conditions is able to use stratified random sample rather than simple? So simple random is complete. So you're doing something that leaves in chance. Basically, be like putting everyone's names in a hat, mix them up, pull out a few, and then lead them group. It's different. That's where you things in groups based on it. If you thought that they had England relevant to a world's name, I mean, this is right. Give the vaccine to 7,500. Don't give the 7,500. What happens? Blah blah. That's completely random. It is like, okay, I got this currently in man and female. I don't know which is better, but I think better. So what I'm is I'm going to really choose 500 males. The placebo, half of them will get the actual vaccine. Randomly choose 2,500 female. Them get the placebo, half of them get the benefit of this is we might gain information. It might be that the new COVID really well males and not in female. But if we just sample and asked it like all at once, we it is good when you can put things into like the subgroups. Stratified is basically subgroups. So you want groups to be, each subgroup should be as possible. That's my sweet handwriting there. So the answer is divided into strata so that each stratum are as much alike as possible. That place, that's an easy. Population can be divided into groups so those in each subgroup are as much as possible. And then what we're trying to test in subgroups, or maybe it doesn't. Number 7, the main idea they're trying to get to, you cannot generalize beyond the subgroup you took your sample. So I asked people age 19 in the state of Colorado. So it's a simple, but the only people I put in the hat were people age 19 to 30 state of Colorado. So that means that's the only people that you can generalize to. A doesn't work. A is reasonable because you're like, okay, 19 to cents living in the state of Colorado, that makes, but if they were in a survey, generalize if they were in the survey. I just took a survey of you guys and you didn't think we'll be back in school. Well, there's no reject that 80% of third hour think that we'll be back in school. There's no reason to push beyond that. It is, we can't say all people living because we only Colorado because it's 19 to 30. Can't say 19 in the U.S. because we only know. And the key is different about Colorado, U.S. that matter. I can't do in the U.S. I didn't ask them. I asked 30 living in Colorado. So don't try to. Sample was taken. Number large conference of teachers, subject, random sample of attending the conference. Subgroups there is mathematics. So be something about mathematics teachers that way, perhaps than other teachers. So that's a subgroup. Attending the conference could be something about teachers that want conferences that is different than teachers not. They surveyed 8% of those 50, so 15 out of those people had taken one or more. And they're trying to jump to a broader audience, and they're saying a broader audience. We surveyed teachers who attended the conference. There's mathematics teachers who attended the conference. Number 9, random sample of 2,000, only returned 1,700 people that didn't return the survey response bias. You call me up, hey, well, I guess it's received, so it's probably in the mail. I have time to take a survey. I don't care about here. Do you have time to take a survey about? Yeah, maybe. But what matters is bias here. The reason it's not a result is that something different about the people that don't return the survey than those that do. Maybe they think it's more important, they're more diligent, they're super engaged in that issue. It doesn't really matter what. So non-response bias, let's see the answer here. Respond may differ in some of those that do. Non-response bias, people that don't answer. Then some people this by just, I got this 2,000 survey, 300 people turned it. Oh, I need to survey to more people. That doesn't help, it just exacerbates. Viewer question about a current issue at the beginning here. Local television news station subgroup. I think of people that watch CNN, which one to watch. A lot of your views. So you just put people that are looking at television news station. Viewers, that's an issue right there. So volunteering to respond to this thing of what I just talked about, if you care about the issue. That in the world, we'd like people to survey on gun control. If you don't care, if you feel strong, you're probably going to go figuring it out are different those that do. Social media is actually a third subgroup here has social media. So could definitely be the people that don't have something feel differently about some issue than those that do. And then what is a possible reason the surveys could be talked through? But viewers with strong opinions are made to respond to viewers without. Yeah, that is true because are different responding. watching television is not necessarily representative of the population. Ask people that watch CNN, get very different answers if you ask people that just watch Fox. So you've put it in the group, which made it biased is why. Viewers to social necessarily representative. Again, people that don't have some way that's important, then the answer here is E. That's all of these. That's 5 through or 6 through the video. There'll be 11 through